22 minutes. That's how long Fresno police officers stood in this backyard, asking one man to put down a gun. This is what happened in those 22 minutes, and why it ended the way it did.
No, doesn't scare me.
911.
Doesn't scare me. Yeah, I'm calling because I need some help right here because my son's here, and he's there arguing and everything, and I'm telling him that he has to leave. And I already put the restraining order, but I guess it hasn't got through yet because we've already finished doing that.
What is your
address? In a couple of days. 11th Street.
Is the house an apartment?
It's a house.
And your son is refusing to leave?
Yes.
At 11:30 in the morning on June 5th, a woman in central Fresno called 911 about her own son. Ricardo Leon was 42 years old. He was on her property and he wouldn't leave. She told the dispatcher she'd been trying to get a restraining order against him, but the paperwork wasn't filed yet. She didn't tell dispatch he had a gun. As far as anyone knew, this was a trespassing call. But the family's own security camera had already recorded something the officers driving toward that house didn't know. He was armed, and nobody had told them. Officers arrived expecting a routine call. They spoke with his mother at the front door. She pointed them toward the backyard.
It's kind of a big yard.
I don't know.
You want to just try and call him to us?
Oh, he's right there. Hey, Ricardo!
I'll bet.
You don't live here! They gave us permission! They gave us permission! Okay. We got permission to come back here.
Then one of them saw it, a silver handgun.
I don't want anything to happen to you.
I ain't going to jail either.
Okay, just work with us here, dude. Drop the gun, please. Just drop it, dude. Ricardo, please, bro.
We're trying to have him drop the gun, but he's telling us he doesn't want to go back to jail.
Please, dude, just drop the gun.
For the next 7 minutes, the officers said the same thing over and over.
Brother, I can't as long as that one's in your hand. If you drop that gun, I will put my gun down, I promise. Stop, dude.
Hey, just put it down.
Toss it. Just
toss
it.
Toss
throw
it away.
The gun, please.
Dude, just
Please,
toss
just
the
throw
gun.
it. Ricardo, come on, dude.
We don't want anything to happen to you, man. We don't want to hurt you, bro.
Hey, what do I need to do to get you to drop the gun, dude? What do I need to do to not hurt you, man? I don't want to hurt you.
We can get you some help, man.
Dude, what am I supposed to do, man? Dude, just drop the gun, dude.
When that didn't work, they tried the opposite. They told him they were backing away.
Hey, we're going to back out, all right?
We're gonna back up, dude. We don't want any issues, bro. Just please drop the gun. Stop, dude. Stop. I don't want to do this, bro. Ricardo, please.
15 more minutes. Officers kept talking, kept asking him to end it peacefully. He didn't move.
Ricardo, please, dude.
Hey, John 32 to 303. Can we have the shield as well, please?
Hey. Ricardo, bro, please. Just drop it. Drop it, dude, please. Ricardo. Drop the gun. Please, dude, stop.
At 12:13 p.m., 43 minutes after his mother picked up the phone, Ricardo Leon raised his right arm toward the officers, still holding the handgun. One officer fired a single round from a rifle.
Oh, fuck.
Leon raised his arm again. That officer and one other fired.
Mom, give me the last number she has on her.
Oh, fuck. You good?
Yeah.
I got you. Come back, come back. Come back.
Leon fired 2 rounds.
Shots fired.
Police say they don't know where they went.
Yeah, I'm right here using the...
We're both good.
Stand by, let me give you cover.
Officers approached and began rendering aid. Paramedics arrived. Ricardo Leon was pronounced dead in his mother's backyard. 4 Fresno officers were part of this shooting. Only 3 of them have body camera footage. The 4th officer fired his weapon and never turned his camera on. Everything you just watched exists because 3 cameras were running. The angle from the 4th doesn't exist at all. The case is now with the Fresno County District Attorney's Office, the department's Internal Affairs Unit, and the Office of Independent Review. Fresno police say they have no further comment beyond the footage.